It's better to be prepared and not have an opportunity than to have an opportunity and not prepare. Welcome to Light Hill Academy, where we share our experiences to make your storytelling better. My name is Craig, and I'm a portrait photographer and editor at Light Hill Studios. So today I'm going to be sharing 3 tips that I should have known when I was starting. And I feel like these tips, they're going to elevate your game. They're going to make you better and more efficient. So I'm going to start with tip number 1, shoot manual. I know when you're starting off, it's quite scary when you get a camera. You always want to stick to the auto modes. You know, each camera comes Canon, Sony, they all have different modes. Like, know your exposure triangle, know what's aperture. Just don't plug in settings. Know what is aperture, what is shutter speed, what does it do, what does it mean to put a faster shutter speed, whatever. Know the ISO, like, so understand it like the back of your hand. Know it. So this will help you when the more you shoot, you know, because things change. You're going to change cameras, you're going to move to Sony, you're going to move to Panasonic, whatever brand that you want to try out. All of these cameras share the same things. They all use the same settings, variables, and all those things. So when you fully understand, when you're comfortable shooting manual, the transition is going to be so easy for you. Tip number 2, lenses. The same way you should know your camera like the back of your hand, like how it manually works and everything. Same thing applies to lenses. Understand your lenses, how they work. You know, it will make you a way better shooter when you fully understand what different focal lenses do to an image, how certain lighting conditions, how it affects. Understand every single detail of a lens. Take time to study it, and also be comfortable with shooting with different types of lenses, like prime lenses, zoom lenses. Know the weaknesses, know the strength. Prime lenses have less glass in them. Zoom lenses, understand those things. It will save you so much money. It will save you so much money, like so much money. Most people waste so much money buying lenses that they don't need. Tip number 3, you need to shoot RAW. It's better to invest in a much bigger memory card and have it takes up so much space, because I know RAW files like are huge and take up space. But trust me, it'll save you so much trouble. Because when you shoot, chances are high you're gonna make some mistakes. You're gonna overexpose. You're gonna mess up the white balance and everything. But when you shoot RAW, it gives you that little bit of insurance. It gives you a little bit of peace that you can recover those shadows or blown out highlights. You can recover them. So shoot RAW. It should be the first thing that you check before you take a picture. Am I shooting in RAW? Move away from JPEG. You can start shooting in JPEG later on. Maybe if you're shooting studio where the light is controlled and the white balance is controlled, yeah, you can shoot JPEG. So guys, I want to end off this with the following thought. Never compare yourself to anyone. You are the best out there. You're the best version of yourself. Like, it's good to be inspired by other people. It's good to be inspired by other creatives, but learn from them. Don't copy them. Learn from them and try to see how they do it, and then you implement it in your own ideas. It's better to be prepared and not have an opportunity than to have an opportunity and not prepared. If you found this information valuable and helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you want to learn more about photography, videography, please sign up to our internship program. The link is gonna be in the description and on the screen up there somewhere. So yeah, sign up and yeah, keep shooting. Cheers.